In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from HankoTrade. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to Funds here on the left under More, and you want to click on Withdrawal. Now, here you then want to select what you want to withdraw. So we have a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. I'm just going to select Bitcoin for now. And then whenever you do this, you'll then basically start loading. And here you have to select your trading ID, so your account, there we go. And then you also have to select the amount that you want to actually withdraw. I'm just going to do 100. And then here you will have to put on your wallet address, so the wallet you're actually trying to withdraw to. Now, as you can see here, I don't have the amount of funds on here, so of course I won't be able to do this. But for you, if you actually have a specific amount of money, of funds, of cryptocurrency, you'll be able to withdraw. Then just make sure you actually do put in the correct address. Down here, it's going to tell you exactly what you have to do, so make sure you actually read this beforehand. And then here you're going to see the amount of available funds for withdrawal. And then whenever you're happy with everything, just click on the proceed button. You're going to proceed, and then the withdrawal is going to get triggered. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.